In quest of sculpting a physique akin to a model's allure, embark upon a journey that spans 6 weeks, meticulously designed to fortify your physique and enhance your allure. This model workout plan, devised with precision, encompasses a blend of exercises aimed at chiseling your form and augmenting your confidence. Let's delve into the intricacies of this 6-week regimen tailored to unveil the best version of yourself. Week 1. Foundation establishment. Begin your odyssey by laying the groundwork for success. In this inaugural week, acquaint yourself with fundamental exercises such as squats, push-ups, and lunges. These compound movements lay the cornerstone for muscle activation and set the stage for future gains. Week 2. Building blocks. As you transition into the 2nd week, amplify the intensity by incorporating resistance training. Introduce dumbbell curls, shoulder presses, and bent over rows into your routine to target specific muscle groups comprehensively. Week 3. Core strengthening. Dedicate this week to fortifying your core, the epicenter of balance and stability. Engage in exercises like planks, Russian twists, and bicycle crunches to tighten your midsection and foster abdominal strength. Week 4. Cardiovascular endurance. Transition into the 4th week by elevating your cardiovascular endurance. Incorporate activities such as running, cycling, or swimming into your routine to enhance stamina and torch excess fat. Week 5. Functional training. Incorporate functional movements into your regimen to mimic real-life activities and improve overall athleticism. Integrate exercises like kettlebell swings, medicine ball slams, and box jumps to enhance agility, coordination, and explosiveness. Week 6. Final refinement. As you approach the culmination of your 6-week journey, hone in on refining your physique and mastering your form. Combine elements from previous weeks while introducing new variations to keep your body challenged and engaged. In conclusion, this 6-week workout plan targets various muscle groups for effective fitness gains. Consistency and commitment are key to achieving desired results.